Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use PostgreSQL for database management, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin using PostgreSQL for database management, first, ensure that PostgreSQL is installed on your machine. If it's not installed, download it from the official PostgreSQL website and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, open your command line interface or terminal. Start the PostgreSQL service by typing the command sudo service PostgreSQL start on Linux. For Windows, you may need to start the service through the Services Management Console. Next, log into the PostgreSQL command line using the command psqlu postgres. You will be prompted to enter your password. Once logged in, you can create a new database using the command create database my_database. Replace my_database with your desired database name. To connect to the new database, type \c my_database. After connecting, you can create a new table by typing create table users, ID serial primary key, name varchar, 100, email varchar. This command creates a simple users table with 3 columns. To insert data into the table, use the command insert into users, name, email, values, John Doe, john@example.com. You can add more users by repeating the insert command with different values. To view the data in the table, type select asterisk from users. This command displays all records in the users table. If you need to update a record, use the command update users set email equals john.doe@example.com where name equals John Doe. To delete a record, type delete from users where name equals John Doe. After completing your tasks, exit the PostgreSQL command line by typing \q. This concludes your quick tutorial on how to use PostgreSQL for database management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.